Hey, what's up guys? In today's video, let's learn how to fix laggy stream on Discord. First of all, launch your application. You're logged into your account, then tap on user settings. Now in here, you're gonna have to locate voice and video from your left-hand side. It will be under experience. Now in here, you're gonna have to scroll below until you see this show advanced voice settings. This will be under your voice settings itself. Here you will see quality of service. You may go ahead and toggle it on. Now as you do that, you're going to have to scroll below and under streaming, advanced streaming settings, you're going to have to expand it. And you will see use our advanced technology to capture your screen. Go ahead and turn it on as well. Now as you do that, close your Discord application, you restart your device, launch your Discord again and see if it fixes your problem. Another thing you could try is come back onto the search bar, type in installed apps, and you may go ahead and simply uninstall any of the applications that you no longer need. The more space your PC will have, the more freely you can stream in Discord. So go ahead, do that, and it will definitely fix your problem. Thank you for watching.